Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we'll be looking at how to graph equations by their intercepts. So let's begin. So I got a picture of some football, and the guy is intercepting the pass. Now the pass is supposed to go a certain way, and it got intercepted. It cut it off in the middle of it. So interception and intercept are kind of similar. Intercepts are on the x and y axis. So let me go over a few examples of using intercepts in order to graph a line. So step one in graphing by intercepts is to find the x-intercept. So you do that by plugging in 0 for y. Another way to look at it is just cover up the y. Here, the y term. So here the y term is negative 4y. We'll cover it up. And now we're just going to work with 2x is equal to 8. So if you divide by 2, x is equal to 4. So when y is 0, x is 4. So that's 1 point. That's step 1. Step 2, we're going to find the y-intercept. Okay, so we're going to cover up the 2x like so. And then we're just going to work with the negative 4y is equal to 8. So we divide by negative 4, and you get negative 2. So when x is 0, y is negative 2. Alright, now step 3, we're going to plot both of those points. 4, 0, and 0, negative 2. So here's 4, 0, and here's 0, negative 2. We're going to plot those 2 points, and then just draw a line. And that line should come all the way out. I don't know why they didn't put the arrows on there. But that line should come all the way through. Alright, let's take a look at a couple more examples. Alright, so we're going to plot the x and y intercepts using them on the graph. So first I'm going to cover up the y and use 3x is equal to 24. Divide by 3 and I get 8. I go on the x-axis and plot 8. That's where I intercept, right there. Then I'm going to cover up the x term and use the y. So I got 6y is equal to 24. Divide by 6. Y is equal to 4. So I go on the y-intercept and plot 4. Or the y-axis. Now that I got these 2 points, I'm just going to draw a line straight through it. Like that. Alright, let's take a look at number 2. Alright, first I'm going to cover up the y term. And it doesn't matter which order you do, I'm just doing the y. So then I got 6x is equal to 24. Divide by 6. X is equal to 4, so I go to 4 on the x-axis. Alright, now I'm going to cover up the 6x. Bring down 6y is equal to 24. Divide by 6. And y is equal to 4. And I plot that on the y-axis. Or the on the y-axis. And then I connect those 2 points together. I got 0, 4, and 4, 0. And draw my line. And that's it. That is graphing x and y intercepts. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.